Kalahari. I want to make it clear. You're not listening to me. Look at this. No, you're not. It's pouring rain outside. Pouring. It is pouring rain outside. And this is not the first time he's come in soaking wet. This is the third time. And furthermore, look at this. Don't rub up against my legs. Kalahari. You're wet. Okay. No. You don't need to get in there. Come here. He's just absolutely impervious to the rain. What is it? What do you do out there? We don't know what he does out there. No, we don't. Maybe he does it so that he gets extra attention when he comes in. I just thought of that. I bet that's it. Yes, sir. That's gotta be it. Okay, Kalahari. I think you should stay in now. 3 times out's enough. All the other kitties are being good. Okay. And put the camera down so we can give you a really good scrubbing. Okay? Mm-hmm.